back, y'all. Today, I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.
I told you, this biscuit was big enough to fit an egg, the sausage, and some cheese. This is a biscuit sausage egg sandwich. Homemade biscuit, eggs, sausage, Jimmy Dean that is, and some cheese. This is the wonderful, delicious, succulent egg, sausage, cheese biscuit sandwich. Don't tell me this don't look good. Alright, just wanted to share how big my biscuits were. Alright. I have to share the gadget that I use to get my sausage meat out the skillet. Because you know this is cooking with these gadgets in the kitchen. Cooking with these gadgets. So yeah, these are my high heat tolerant tongs. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. My thongs. Are these my tongues? Later.
I hope you guys enjoyed another episode in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.